Hey everyone, today I earned total 3B in Swagbucks Trivia. Want to know a fun and easy way to earn SB on Swagbucks? Let me introduce you to Swagbucks Trivia, a game where you can test your knowledge and earn points at the same time. Here's how it works. Swagbucks Trivia is a live trivia game where you answer questions across different categories, like pop culture, history, sports, and more. You earn SB for every correct answer, and the more you play, the more points you can rack up. To get started, simply log into your Swagbucks account, head to the Play section, and click on Swagbucks Live or Trivia. Join a live game session, answer the questions, and watch your SB grow. Plus, the SB you earn can be redeemed for PayPal cash, gift cards, or online shopping. It's a fun way to challenge yourself and earn real Ready to play and earn? Log in to Swagbucks now and give trivia a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on earning with Swagbucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.